Hello everyone. Welcome to the new Oiled and Powerful channel. My name is Leslie and I'm doing an unboxing because I just received my Young Living Essential Rewards box. I didn't get as much as last month, but all the oils that are in here are just as great. So let me get this thing opened. So it'd be good to do the top too. Alright. Okay, so the first thing is the Essential Edge, which I love the Essential Edge because I don't even read the front article. I go to the back page and I go right here to the Learn and Love, because in this section sometimes they have different ways to use the oils, and sometimes they also have great diffuser blends, and so I love checking out that section of the Essential Edge. And then the next thing is, of course, packing slip, packing material. So Young Living has been out of the roller fitments for a bit, and so as soon as they came in stock, it was right about the time that I was supposed to be putting in my order, and so I snagged me another set. And those retail at $13.16, and I get them for $10. I'm gonna keep this down here. Next thing I got was the Valor body soap. I have not used the Valor one, but I have used the lavender and oatmeal one, and I absolutely love it. It has lasted me a long time, and so as soon as that one runs out, I'm going to use this one. I want to smell this. We all know that Valor smells amazing, but I'm curious if it smells the same as the soap. Oh, that smells really good. And of course they decide to mow and weed eat today at the apartment. So if you hear that, that's what you're hearing over there. Alright, and that bar soap retails for $16.45 and I got it for $12.50. Okay. I'm going to leave out the free oils for this month, and I'm going to show you what I paid for first. So I got 15 mil of cedar wood. I got that for $11.50 and it retails for $15.13. And then of course we know that, what are you meowing at, bro? And of course we know that Raven comes in the new premium starter kits, so I got some so I would be able to show that to people whenever I'm showing the kits to people. And Raven is a blend of camphor, lemon, wintergreen, peppermint, and eucalyptus radiata. So in the old kits we got RC, so this is kind of like the big sister to RC. Oh, that smells really good. I like it. Okay. And for Raven, it retails at $47.04 and I got it for $35.75. Excuse you, Raw. Get down. Please. Go on. Kitties, they think that they own the place. Okay, so the next one is Clove, and I got this to put in like the pumpkin spice blend and all that we like to smell during the fall to, you know, help make us feel good. And so Clove retails for $9.87 and I got it for $7.50. And I haven't really smelled clove by itself. Ew, that smells really good. I like clove. They are really curious about what those long guys are doing outside, because I'm right in front of the window, and so they are so curious about what's going on out there. Alright. Like I said, I got lots of oils this month. I'm double checking underneath this packaging because one time I forgot about a lip balm and I didn't show it to you guys. Okay. So I did say how much Clove was. So the next one I got is a restock. I've been out of this for a long time and I should not let myself go without this one. I got frankincense, and I love how grounding frankincense smells. And it's also good for skin support. I love it. So frankincense retail, this one's an expensive one, and so that's why I went without it for so long. But it is normally $99.34 and I got it for $75.50. Alright, and the next one I got this is actually for a friend, and it's Stress Away. And if you don't know what's in it, it's balsam copaiba, lime, cedarwood, vanilla, ocotea, and lavender. It's really calming. I love it. I like putting it on my neck and my shoulders whenever I've got some like my shoulders like this all day at work. It's great for that. See, this is what I was looking for underneath packaging. Okay, so I got another lavender lip balm. I went through one complete one, and then I got the grapefruit one, and I liked the grapefruit, but I wanted to go back to the lavender because I liked it more. And if you're not, these have coconut oil, beeswax, jojoba oil, sweet almond oil, wolfberry seed oil, rosehip seed oil, tocopherol, and lavender oil. I'm guessing tocopherol is the preservative. I'm not sure. And then this one is ginger. Raw. What's wrong, Betty? He is beside himself about those long guys, I think. But this is ginger. It retails for $17.76 and I got it for $13.50. I actually got this one for my mom because she wanted one, and I'm sure she won't mind that I open it because I know that we're going to share it. Whew. Ginger is strong. That is really strong. But I like it. Oh, and I forgot to say, the lavender lip balm retails for $5.26 and I got it for $4. And the Stress Away for my friend retails for $40.13 and I got it for $30.50. Okay. And then I only got 190 PV this month, and so I got 3 free oils. I got spearmint, which is one of my favorites to put in water, but I use the Vitality one because it's labeled safe for ingestion. And then I was really excited about this one because it's like Raven, but it's kicked up a notch. Raven Sarah. or it's one of the main ingredients in Raven, I'm sorry. But Raven Sarah, did I say that one? Yeah, I did. So, this is the first ingredient of Raven, is Raven Sarah. And it was the 190 PV. Oh, that smells really good. Like, it reminds me of something, but I can't stick my finger on it. So this one was the 100 PV, and then this is the 190 PV. And so I got another bottle of wintergreen as the 190 PV, and I've already got one of those, so I'm going to save this one and not open it yet. I might give it away as a little gift or as a replacement for mine. So that's everything that I got this month. My totals for this order was $340.12 for my grand total of what I would pay retail. My cost was, I think, like $200 after tax, because everything all together, it gives me the price of everything all together. But it was 190 PV plus tax and shipping. That was really good. These three alone that I got were, I can't math today. This is terrible. This was $75.98 in free products for the 190 PV. That's a good deal. Alright, so if you guys have any questions about anything, feel free to leave comments down in the box, and don't mind him. He does what he wants. Get down, please. No, get down over there with all your stuff. What are you doing? Come say hi. Say hi. That kitty. But you guys have a good day, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.